Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is February the 7th on a Friday. We do have the jobs number that's going to come out here in a little bit, so things can definitely change. We are basically flat right now in the futures market, but we'll see what happens. We're hanging out, not far from all-time highs, but let's dive in. There's some nice setups out there. Let's dive in, take a look at the ones I'm kind of liking. Carnival Cruise Lines. You can see this one. Love these bottoming wicks and defending that 10 period moving average. And kind of a critical level right here. If it breaks through that 2760 level, could have a nice push to it. So we're calling the trigger on that Carnival 2760. AMBA was on the list yesterday. I'm gonna have to keep this one on the list again today. I just love the way that this is approaching and bumping up against this very critical pivot level there. So we're calling it 8001 trigger there. And AMBA, be careful, it's kind of a lower float stock. Uh, China doing well. BABA was going to be on my list. It's one that I've been in for a while. I like the setup, but boy, it's kind of a pretty big gap up today. It's not on my list, but it's one to keep an eye on. Actually, a lot of China stocks. TAL is on my list. I do love the way this one is setting up. Looking for a break above 13, so we're going to call 1301 there, the trigger there in TAL. And the last one on the list here is GoDaddy. GoDaddy, a beautiful kind of setup here, holding up this level of support. It's been defending that. So if it does take out a 3-day high, let's call it 212.51 there in GoDaddy for a potential move back to all-time highs. Uh, all right, that's it for today, guys. Keep it tight and have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next week. Bye bye.